Today, Howrah Bridge or Ravindra Setu dazzles in colors, representing the confluence of the world's greatest athletes from the 5 continents at the Tokyo Olympic Games. Global excitement has transcended borders. Different nationalities, ethnicities, cultures and values are united by emotion. Together, everywhere. Blue, yellow, black, green and red, the 5 interlaced rings of the Olympic symbol, epitomize the union of Europe, the Americas, Africa, Asia and Australia. Japan, the land of the rising sun, opens its arms to more than 11,000 athletes from all over the world, fostering a safe and healthy environment for every athlete to do their personal best. Syama Prasad Mukherjee Fort, Kolkata joins the nation in wishing grand success to the Olympic Games and the very best to the Indian contingent consisting of the country's finest athletes. This is a glittering salute to their competitive spirit and their determination to shine.